In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up MACD on Webull. By the end, you'll have the MACD indicator displayed on your chart so you can start analyzing momentum and potential trend shifts with confidence. First, open Webull Desktop or the Webull web platform and navigate to the chart you want to work with. You can do this by selecting a symbol from your watch list or using the search bar to pull up a ticker, then opening its main chart view. Make sure you're looking at the full chart panel rather than a miniature preview. If you have multiple windows or panels open, give the chart a bit of space so the toolbar is clearly visible. The time frame you choose, whether it's 1 minute, daily, or weekly, won't affect the process of adding the indicator. MACD will apply to whichever time frame you're currently viewing. Next, look for the Indicators button near the top of the chart. On Webull, this sits along the chart's top toolbar with the other analysis tools. It's typically labeled Indicators and is easy to spot when the chart is in a comfortable size. If your window is narrowed, some options may collapse into a menu. Expanding the chart or widening the window often makes the Indicators button appear plainly again. The goal here is simply to locate that button so you can open the list of available studies. Now click the Indicators button to open the list, then find MACD and check it to add it to your chart. You can scroll through the list or use the search field to type MACD if that's faster. As soon as you select it, the MACD panel will appear below your price chart. You'll see the MACD line, the signal line, and a histogram that visualizes the difference between them. That's your confirmation that it's active. There's nothing else you need to do to get started. The default settings work well for a broad range of charts and are perfect if you're just beginning to use MACD. If your chart looks crowded, give the MACD panel a moment to load and make sure your chart area has enough vertical space so the lines and histogram are easy to read. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, find the Indicators button at the top, and select MACD from the list. With those simple actions, you've added a powerful momentum tool to your workflow, ready to help you spot potential shifts in trend and confirm the strength of price moves.